a kinetic sand in a monster truck, I first need to dump it in. Let me just get the extra stuff out because it will disturb me. We first have to put it in, and I don't know why was there a cockroach, but we got rid of it. So let's put this in. I can just dump it. That may be a little too much. Let me get some more out. I can still see some more here. Okay, there we go. Now we can put the stuff that was in the jar. Don't worry, we can clean this up. It's okay, we can clean. So we got this kinetics. So Mom is allergic to kinetic sand, but that's okay. She's far away from it. Is that kinetic sand is really satisfying when you cut it, and it's also really good because when you squish it, it becomes like pieces.
Wow!
Pieces. And kinetic sand was fun. Now it's time for the toys. Let's get some of the small and big toys. I made a mistake in this. I made a mistake. This bus is clearly broken, but it's okay. I fixed it. Okay, good. So this is a bus, and I decided to get a bus stop. Bus stops are for when the buses come, and then they drop people off. When they're at their place, they get dropped off at the spot, but they get picked up sometimes when the bus stops. And now we just got some passengers. Now it's leaving.
Wow!
I think there's more people.
Give me the.
What if I play with the toys for? How would the kinetic sand for 5 minutes and the toys for 5 minutes?
Okay.
Back to the kinetic sand. You can make different shapes out of kinetic sand with your blocks, which is a kind of fun. Great idea because some of them are off-road. I forgot that Dad's monster truck, he gave me this and it's clearly off-road. Look how off-road these tires are. Let's see if it makes it. I'm sorry, but I have to sacrifice a turtle to go over this. In 3, 2, 1. The tires didn't go over it. That was lame.
Wow!
I need to get it over. Wait, no! It went over. That was kind of cool, actually. I'm sorry, but I had to run over a turtle by accident. Sorry. I can make off-road tracks with this. This is so cool. I don't know. Let me bring some of my off-road cars here. There's some off-road tires. Let's try this police car. Maybe it will go over. Police car did not make it. I believe it was supposed to go, but it's now stuck. It's now stuck. I thought it was gonna make it, but it was stuck. I'll bring some off-road cars to the kinetic sand and some land vehicles that don't go on off-road because they would definitely be stuck. But the police car definitely didn't go over the kinetic sand. Maybe this one. This one can roll over stuff and make it smooth. Make that good. Okay, on to the next vehicle. I'm running out of options here, so I think I'll choose. I don't know if I want to choose this car, but if it works, then I'll count it as a 10. If it doesn't work, then I'll give it a 2 front and a 10. Because if it doesn't make this, I have no idea what will. doors to see if I have something that can make it. What if I choose this car? I have no idea what this car's name is. We buried the car, so let me dig it out and see what it is. It's something yellow. I found it! What is this? I finally found a car. Great.
Whoa!
Great thing, because I finally found a car. They get all the sand out. Yeah. It doesn't fly though. It doesn't fly. I wish they sell like remote control toys from the shop, but eventually they're sold out. I think this tractor will do it. Tractors can go over barns, but let's see. And I'll take this one. I think that's all we need. Viewers, did you want to comment about the secrets? Also comment below to subscribe, and I'll give you some of my money if you subscribe. So make sure to subscribe and click the like button so I can give you free money. Also, do you want to talk about the secrets about the bus, the software, the cover? You have to notice that by pausing it. Okay, bye. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.